Hello everyone, welcome to Lena's Fashion. Please hit the subscription button if you are new to this channel. I'm going to be sewing this beautiful gown without lining. As you can see, you can rock it like this, you can loosen the necktie like this. Very beautiful gown. Okay, so this is the front view. Okay, this is the back view. Please sit tight and watch out for this video on how to cut a beautiful gown without lining. So this is the neckline, the front neckline. Okay, so I just placed this little piece of bias cutting on the neckline, the v-shaped neckline. So pin it down and sew. Take it to the sewing machine and sew. Make sure you pin it accurately. Okay, so when we pin this down, you are going to see how it will be neatly done. No matter how it's looking right now, it's going to be neatly done, and we won't be using any lining for this particular dress. So this V part, make sure you turn it like this and sew it very well. Okay, so make sure you turn it whenever you feel you need to turn it. Okay, make so that the V will come out very well. After that, we are going to notch. After we notch everything, same way I'm doing for this neckline. Okay, so you're going to see how it's going to turn out. Okay, so now let's get webs of ideas. Like a web of ideas, have strong self-control, have ability to acknowledge fault, okay, and be very sensitive to other people's feelings. It is, I've given it a good notch. Okay, let me open it so that you see. I've notched it carefully. Make sure you don't cut the stitches. So this is how we're going to be doing it now. Stop stitch it on this inner facing that I've used. So I'm folded it like this and I've pinned it down. Can you imagine how it is right now? So I've pinned it down like this. This is how it's going to look. Very beautiful. Look at the outside. Okay, so this is how it is. This is the inner and this is the outer. So for the shoulder, I measured 0.5 inch. Then I took 1.5 inches for the side. Okay, for the side sewing allowance. But for the shoulder, I took 0.5 inch. So I'm going to be sewing it down to the hem like this. I'm going to be sewing the other part. So just mark it. Okay, so this is the easiest way. Just mark it down and sew it down. 1.5 inches. Okay. And then so okay. So then you turn the armhole the way we did the neckline. Okay, so for the collar, this is it, 5 inches for the width of the collar. Then I used 30 on fold, that is altogether 60 inches. Okay, for the length of the collar. So this is how you attach your collar. You just place it like so. The middle part should be touching the middle part of the back neckline. So I've marked it and I've pinned it down. So just sew it and I've finished sewing it. Just sew it like this. Then you bend this side backward. Okay, and then you fold it again, pin it down and take it to a sewing machine and sew it again. You get something like this. Very beautiful. Just sew same way to the tip. Okay, so you have something like this. Then the belt, I did 54 inches long for the belt. I just folded it the same way I did for the collar. I just folded it together. So this is a beautiful gown, free gown without lining. Oh my gosh. So this is how it is. You can remove the rope to the side, okay, or you can actually leave it down like this. Thanks for watching.